Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, friends. It's Missy here. And welcome to another gentle moment together. In this podcast, we don't just talk, we learn. Each episode is a little story mixed with simple grammar and helpful vocabulary. Today, we're practicing the present continuous tense. That means we'll focus on actions that are happening right now. You'll hear it in the way I describe things around me, and I'll explain it slowly along the way. So whether you're walking, cleaning, or just relaxing, thank you for being here. Let's take a deep breath together and enjoy a quiet story about working from a cafe. This morning, I woke up feeling a little tired. I've been working from home all week, and honestly, I needed a change of scenery. So I told myself, okay, let's go somewhere peaceful today. Now, I'm getting ready to leave. I'm putting on a light jacket, tying my shoelaces, and checking if I have everything. Phone? Check. Wallet? Check. Notebook and pens? Got them. I'm stepping outside now. The air is cool and fresh. A few leaves are dancing in the breeze. Birds are singing softly. I'm walking down the street slowly, not rushing, just breathing. After about 10 minutes, I'm arriving at my favorite little cafe. It's on the corner of a quiet street. There's a small chalkboard sign outside that says, "Welcome, come in, relax, and enjoy something warm." I smile. I'm opening the door now. A little bell above the door rings gently. The smell of coffee fills the air. Rich, sweet, and comforting. There are a few people inside already. Some are reading. Some are chatting softly. Some are just sipping coffee with peaceful faces. I'm feeling good already. I walk up to the counter. A friendly barista greets me with a smile.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
I take a moment to read the menu. "I'll have a hot latte, please," I say.
For here or to go?
She asks. "For here," I answer. "And is it okay if I sit by the window?"
Of course.
She says.
I'll bring it over.
I find a cozy seat by the big front window. I'm placing my bag on the chair, taking out my notebook and pens. The light is soft and golden. Perfect. Now I'm sitting comfortably. The latte is warm in my hands. Outside, I can see people walking past. Some alone, some in pairs, all moving at their own pace. Inside, it's quiet. No loud music, no distractions. I'm writing down ideas in my notebook. I'm planning this podcast, thinking of ways to help you learn English in a natural way. I'm also checking a few emails, but just the important ones. There's no rush. I'm not making a to-do list. I'm just doing what feels light and gentle today. Let's pause here and talk a little about grammar. You may have noticed I keep saying things like, "I'm sitting by the window." "I'm drinking a latte." "People are walking past." That's called the present continuous tense. We use it to describe what's happening right now. The form is simple. Am, is, are, plus, verb plus, ing. Here are some examples from this story. I am working from a cafe. She is making coffee. People are relaxing and talking quietly. Now it's your turn. What are you doing right now? Say it out loud. I'm listening to Missy's podcast. I'm learning English. I'm relaxing at home. Great job. Every time you describe your moment, you're getting stronger with your grammar. Let's also notice what I'm not doing. I'm not checking social media. I'm not multitasking. I'm not rushing through my work. I'm choosing slow. I'm choosing quiet. And that's okay. Even small, peaceful choices can help us feel better. Time is passing gently. I'm almost finished with my coffee. My notebook is a little fuller. My heart feels a little lighter. Outside, the clouds are moving. More people are walking by. The city is continuing, but I'm still here, just breathing, writing, and being present. This moment is simple. And that's what makes it beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing this quiet cafe moment with me. And thank you for learning with me. Today, we practiced the present continuous tense, and you heard it in real use, not just in a textbook. If this episode made you smile or helped you learn something new, I'd really love to hear from you. What's your favorite place to relax? What are you doing today? You can share your thoughts in the comments or send a little message my way. And don't forget, there's a free download link in the episode description. You'll find a grammar guide, vocabulary list, and practice worksheet to go along with this episode. Keep learning, keep breathing, and keep being kind to yourself. You're doing great, and I'm proud of you. Until next time, I'm Missy, and I'll talk to you again soon.